What did you usually decide to put in your coffee? Sugar? The cause of tooth decay and obesity? Sweetener? There is no health value. How about trying to put some natural sugar substitute, like coconut sugar? So, what is coconut sugar? Coconut sugar is a natural sugar substitute mainly from Southeast Asia countries like Thailand, Philippines, and Indonesia. Individual farmers in Southeast Asia countries climbs up to the top of the coconut tree and gets the sap of the coconut tree flowers. Then, the farmers pour all the sap into a boiling pot, they boil it, and eventually vaporize it into sugar powder. Because coconut sugar came directly from the coconut tree, it still contains the nutritious substance that directly came from coconut tree as well, like calcium, zinc, vitamin C, and inulin, which is especially good for women with diabetes or who want to prevent diabetes, according to National Institutes of Health. Other than its health value, coconut sugar also aligned with the coconut product trend. Since coconut water entered the US market in 2004, there are coconut-related products like coconut milk, coconut oil, and coconut cream to promote a healthier eating style. Coconut sugar entered the US market 10 years after coconut water, and now is predicted to reach the compound annual growth rate of 5.1% by 2025, according to Market Research Hub. To promote coconut sugar in the US market, I propose to get coconut sugar into the milk industry. The milk industry has been in a growing trend for the recent few years. According to Nielsen, its total value in 2017 is $4.65 billion. Customers simply need to go to a Milky website, choose the menu they want to cook, and amount of plants and people that they cook for, then place the order online. The Milky company will receive the order and pack all the ingredients into a box and deliver it to the household. I suggest to invest in this Indonesia-based company called Coco Sugar because it serves as a local resource to gather all the tenant farmers and their products together. It also has USDA certificate and FDA registered facility. It also has both retail package and industrial package. There are two ways for this business to work. Coco Sugar can be the supplier of big milk companies like Blue Apron and HelloFresh. It can also be the supplier of the circuit startup companies like So Bakeable and Fizdeer, which have a huge amount of demand on sugar. Previously, there was a successful collaboration between chocolate company Hershey and milk company Shaft, which Hershey provides all the chocolate Shaft needs in their milk kits. In a similar way, cocoa sugar can replace the traditional sugar in milk kits or the circuits into coconut sugar for a healthier eating style. In conclusion, think about investing into coconut sugar and get it into the milk industry. Because both of those promote a healthier eating style, both of those have a high growth volume, and there are more than one way to make this collaboration happen.